Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to look on this mask.
Bananas are great for your hair and scalp. They improve manageability and shine, prevent and control dandruff, and moisturize your scalp. Bananas are rich in potassium, natural oils, carbohydrates, and vitamins, which help soften the hair and protect the hair's natural elasticity, preventing split ends and breakage. Yogurt helps get rid of dandruff with its antifungal properties that soothe the scalp, helps calm frizz by keeping your hair moisturized for longer, controls hair fall by improving scalp health and reducing the clogging of follicles, balances the pH levels of your scalp by regulating sebum production. It also soothes an aggravated scalp with its cooling effect. Olive oil is high in antioxidant content that helps maintain scalp and hair health. It prevents the hair from cell damage and nourishes and conditions the hair at the same time to improve its quality. Aloe vera gel conditions and improves damaged dry hair. So I blended it and now it's smooth, no chunks. It's thin. I can put it in my hair. So perfect. see it's really saturated. I'm gonna leave it on for 30 minutes and I'm gonna rinse it with cold water and then put some conditioner in it, and yeah, so I will be back.
The mask was really good. I like the mask. The only thing about the mask is it was like kind of flaking a lot. I think like it was the banana that was like flaking a lot. But other than that, I like the mask. I would do it again. And yeah, like tell me if you liked it. Like the video, comment below. Tell me anything that you didn't like about it. The only thing I didn't like about it is that it was like flaking. And I had to shampoo it out. I usually rinse out my mask, but I had to shampoo this one out because I didn't want the flakes in my hair. Yeah, but I like the way it did. Like I like the way it affected my hair, and I was repeating. So that is my review.